McDougal's French fries, best when slightly overcooked. Crunchy perfection. A big whomp with cheese, or the bacon Tex burger. Choose your heart attack. Oh, Long John Slivers, your chicken strips taste like fish. Don't want to know why. KFC bathroom. Sticky floor. No paper towels. Syringe in toilet. Fast food commercials. That's not their real food, you know. Just hunks of plastic. I like Joe Bangles, but don't ever get their tea. $8 a gallon. Eat at Dairy King. Come for the milkshakes. Stay for the scabby burgers. New kind of taco. The shell's a chicken patty. Slightly disturbing. $5 Crustal Day. Drive-through line is a mile long. No thanks. Think I'll pass. I tried them today. Harvey's spicy chicken strips. Way too damn salty. Every Friday night, pizza from Little Nero's. It's only $5. Harvey's drink machine. How come the Sprite tastes like blood? Do vampires work here? Soggy, undercooked. That's the only time I don't finish my French fries. For shame, Burger Queen. Your large fry is like a small, but it costs no less.